toasty warm there. Again, the life I love is playing music with my friends, and I just can't wait to get on the road again. Yeehaw! We're on day who knows, because we've just been on the road so long. No, we don't even know what, I don't know what day it is. I don't know what time it is. I'm just a road traveling kind of guy. Look at this traffic jam.
And we got our worst driver on the wheel.
How dare you?
Well, you took less than 5 minutes to hit a curve.
Well, we're at Thors Well on the Oregon coast. It's a volcanic ocean dealio made by Mother Nature to blow your mind. We're in the Sea Lion Caves, Johnson. It's a rare area where sea lions and mountain lions come and mate. Free my soul, I wanna get lost in your rock and roll.
What's up? Long day.
Nice sweatshirt.
Thanks. I got it in the men's department.
Why'd you get
swear.
it?
Don't do that. So good.